Good evening, all. Welcome to NC Academy. Yes, today we are going to see two topics, that is one from geography and one from history, that is the art and culture part. Okay, fine. Shall we move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. First is about the atmosphere. What do you know about atmosphere? What do you know about atmosphere in general? Tell me what you know about atmosphere in general. How it is composed of? Yes. Come on, tell me. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, tell me. What is the composition of atmosphere?
Ma'am, you are asking about layers, ma'am.
Not layers. I'm asking about the composition.
Don't know, ma'am.
Layers is the structure, okay? That layers is called the structure of atmosphere. I'm asking about the composition of atmosphere.
Ma'am, situation.
What?
Ma'am, situation.
Situation. What is that? What is that actually? What is that actually? What is the composition of atmosphere? What is the composition? How many percentage oxygen? Now we will answer, I think so. How many percentage?
21%.
Yes, good. That's it. So how many percentage oxygen? How many percent nitrogen?
78.
Yes, 78% either. What is that 78%?
Ma'am, nitrogen.
Nitrogen is 78%. Yes, good. Then 21%?
Ma'am, oxygen.
Oxygen, 21% oxygen. And total evlo on the chapo. How much is there? Am I audible? Yes. Am I audible or not?
Ma'am, 99. Ma'am, 99.
99 தான் வந்திருக்கு. அப்ப balance 1%?
Ma'am, it is gas.
1% is other gases, right? So if you see the composition of the atmosphere will be here. If you see 78%, sorry. This is the center, right? Yes. 78%. 78% will be?
Ma'am.
Yes, 78%.
Ma'am, I have one diagram of this, ma'am. Clear diagram, ma'am. I'm having, ma'am.
You have clear diagram. Good. That's good, actually. Okay.
Ma'am, I can share the screen, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. 1 minute. Let me complete this. Then we can share it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
78% nitrogen. 21%. This is 21. 21%. What is this?
Ma'am, oxygen.
Yes. Here it is 1%. 1% will be?
Gases, carbon dioxide.
Yes, other gases. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Other gases. So 21% is oxygen. Oxygen ka short form, that is that chemical formula will be O2, right? Oxygen. Oxygen always will be in molecule, not as an atom, right? It will always be as a molecule. Fine. This 1%, what are the other gases will be? Carbon dioxide, water vapor and all. Fine.
Ma'am, and also organ.
Yes, argon.
Ma'am, and etc.
Yes, few more gases are there. Okay. Organ, carbon dioxide. Fine. Yes. So yeah, Harish, show me that picture. Show the picture, Harish. Priya, can you make Harish as a co-host so that he can share the picture?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Sangeeta ka? Oh, I am a co-host.
Geethamu host இருக்கு.
One.
Yes, Harish, come on, share me. Share
Ma'am,
the
it is
picture.
visible, ma'am?
No, Kanna. For others, is that visible?
No, ma'am.
No.
And only the host can share in this meeting that like coming, ma'am.
Yes, Priyadashini, please make this.
But I gave the option, ma'am. Ma'am, not. Yes, ma'am. Now coming, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, that like only showing, ma'am, now also.
Now also it's showing like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you, Priyadashini, can you make him as a co-host? Yes,
Ma'am,
Harish,
yes,
now
ma'am.
you can share.
Ma'am, it is visible, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna, it's visible. Is that you in that picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is what I am said. Okay. Nitrogen will be 78%. This is the composition of fat that is in the atmosphere. Fine. 78% oxygen, nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases. Fine. Shall we move on to the structure of atmosphere? How the structure will be?
Ma'am,
You know that?
I am having, ma'am.
Yeah, then show that.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, it is visible, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, it's visible. Can you explain this?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Take a photo.
Yes. Yeah, come on, explain this.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, this is troposphere, ma'am.
Okay.
First is troposphere, ma'am. And then next layer also troposphere, and next layer is stratosphere, and the next layer is stratosphere and mesosphere, and mesosphere, mesosphere, next to ionosphere and
Ionosphere.
ionosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere, ma'am.
Yes. Here, you see, if you see that thermosphere will be from ionosphere and exosphere. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Let me explain you how it is. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is that is. Okay. Here, if you see, the first region is, just wait, I'll just change the pointer. Okay. Pointer color. Yes. If you see, first layer is the troposphere. Okay. This troposphere is the densest region in the atmosphere. Okay. Almost all phenomena of weather phenomena, okay, is restricted to this region only. Considers like a large, extremely tiny particles that are called aerosols. Okay, which are called aerosols, which are very much important for providing condensation nuclei. Condensation nuclei is the nuclei which is responsible, and it's very much helpful for the cloud formation. Okay, clouds இருக்குல்ல, cloud formation, this condensation nuclei will be helping. Okay. This condensation nuclei is very much helpful This condensation nuclei, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible? Yes. Because
Yes,
yes or
ma'am.
no, please kindly respond, okay? Because only few members are there, please kindly respond to me. Yes. Troposphere.
Ma'am,
Troposphere is
for
the,
me
yes.
network problem, ma'am. So only I can't answer it, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Gino and Harish, please kindly respond. So troposphere is the densest region in region of atmosphere. Almost all weather phenomenon, okay? All weather phenomenon will be taking place in the troposphere itself. It contains of a large number of extremely tiny particles. That tiny particles are called the aerosols.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I
Yes.
have one doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the atmosphere is the thickness, ma'am.
Atmosphere is not the thickness actually. By what means you are asking?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, the atmosphere, that layer are thick or
Thick or
not thick? No, not thicker, ma'am.
thick? It is thick only. This is the structure. How the atmosphere அப்படிங்கிறது, this is the structure. It consists of these all comprises called, these all things called the, yes. These
Ma'am,
all
your
things.
voice
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. These all things comprises to give us the atmosphere, okay? That is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. Fine. These all things comprises together to form the atmosphere. Fine. Here first we have the troposphere. Troposphere is a region where which is extremely densest region, and in troposphere we can see it is separated from a stratosphere by tropopause. Okay, troposphere. See, troposphere ku stratosphere எப்படி divide ஆகுது? By tropopause. Okay, why the slanting has been given? Why the slanting? ஏன் இந்த slanting position கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Why? Why? Anyone explain me why? What may be the reason? Yes, Shankar Mahalingam. Who's that? May I know who's that? Shankar Mahalingam. Panchavaktra, right? Is that Shankar Mahalingam is Panchavaktra? If I'm wrong, sorry.
Ma'am, that is moving, I think, ma'am.
Moving
illappa.
Moving illa. Shankar Mahalingam, please kindly respond. Yes. Who's that? May I know who's that? Okay, fine. We'll deal this later. Fine. Yes. Here, why the slanting is given? Why இது வந்து இங்க இருந்து இங்க போறப்போ why it is like this? That line is given like this. What is the reason?
Ma'am, because of force of gravity, earth force of gravity.
You can say like that also. And one more main reason is there.
Ma'am,
Why aurora is being given here only? Not here in this region. Why aurora is not in this region?
ma'am, for we survive by breathing and oxygen, ma'am.
Yes. Aurora all the lights, okay? If you see in some movies and all, they'll be showing like a snow region இருக்கும். அதுல மேல பாத்தீங்கன்னா some colors
like
will be showing.
ma'am.
Colors, cloudsல வந்து colors எல்லாம் தெரியும். Skyல வந்து colors எல்லாம் தெரியும். Pink, green, violet, இந்த மாதிரி colors எல்லாம் தெரியும். Why it is showing like this? Only in this region. If you see the why it is given like this? Anyone? Because if you see,
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, because the atmosphere is made up of various colorless and odorless, ma'am. odorless gases.
Yes, colorless and odorless gases only. Yes, good. Colorless and odorless gas, because of that light, its
Ma'am,
reflection.
it give vapors, dust particles.
Hmm. Vapors,
Ma'am,
dust
and
particles. Yes.
ma'am,
You
and
see,
ma'am,
what
and
is this?
smoke. Ma'am, and smoke.
Yes, yes. What is this? Assume this as an earth. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine. Assume this as an earth. Now tell me, what is this lines? Do you know about latitudes and longitudes?
Yes, ma'am. I know latitude and longitude.
Yes. Okay, sorry for my diagram. Okay, fine. Tell me, what are latitudes and longitudes? If you know latitudes and longitudes, you will be knowing this. If you know latitudes and longitudes, here which is latitude and which is longitude?
7 மணிக்கு போட்டுக்கறாங்க கிளாஸ். இல்ல நான் 7 மணிக்கு.
Which is latitude and longitude? Which is latitude and longitude? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, right is longitude and left is latitude, ma'am.
Right is longitude and left is latitude. Okay, tell me one or two. Okay, one or two.
Ma'am, it is actually two.
Two is
Latitude.
Ma'am, 2 is latitude, first is longitude.
Longitude.
first is
ma'am.
longitude.
First
Longitude.
is longitude.
Second one is latitude.
Second one is latitude. Are you sure? Are you sure? Actually, this is
Yes,
first
ma'am.
one is latitude, second one is longitude. Okay, because every line is long and equal. But here latitudes will not be equal. Equator, this is 0 degree is equator, right?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
comes the Tropic of Cancer. Here Tropic of Capricorn. Then Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. This is 66.5 degree.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you remember
Ma'am,
that?
down only Antarctic circle.
Yes,
circle only,
Antarctic
ma'am.
Circle. Here
Actually,
Arctic
I
Circle.
now only I'm
Arctic
joining
circle
the
and
class,
next
ma'am.
Tropic of Cancer, ma'am.
Ma'am, now only I'm joining the class, ma'am. So I'm in. I'm coming from my tuition, ma'am. That's why, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine, Kanna, no problem. Yeah, it's Dia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, fine. So this is 23.5 degree. 23.5 degree. You know this, right, or not? Or else I want to explain with this. Yes, you people know this or not? Harish, Priyadashini?
Ma'am, yes,
you know
ma'am.
this, sir. Yes. So, ipo now you tell me, here is the atmosphere. Atmosphere structure inga irundhu kuduthirukanga, okay?
Ma'am,
How it is like this only. Fine. If you see, here it is 0 degree, okay? 0 degree. Yes.
ma'am, how much parallel lines are having, ma'am?
How much?
Parallel lines, no, ma'am.
Parallels. What are parallels actually? Tell me, what are parallels?
Ma'am, that joining, no, ma'am. That only.
Which one is parallel here? Tell me which one is parallel here?
Ma'am, that this having, no, ma'am. That lines cut and all.
Which one? One or two? This. Which parallel you are saying? Meridian or parallel? There are two things. Meridian and parallel. Meridian and parallel is there.
Ma'am,
So
latitudes, ma'am.
Latitudes, yes. How many latitudes are here? This is what the latitudes is, right? How many latitudes are here?
Ma'am, 90 or 182, ma'am.
90 or 182? I didn't get you. There are totally 180 degrees. Okay? Totally there are 180 degrees. It has been divided
Ma'am,
like this.
I think that is only, ma'am.
Totally,
Yes, ma'am.
in total
182,
180
ma'am.
degrees. No,
180.
180 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Latitudes are a total of 180 degrees.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. How many
Okay, ma'am.
longitudes are there? 180 to east and 180 to west. Okay. 180 plus 180. Okay, 180 plus 180. East 180 and west that is prime meridian.
Ma'am, 360 degree.
360
Yes,
degree.
totally 360 degree. So here the east meridian will be prime meridian will be 180 degree and west vertical sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Vertical longitude of west will be prime meridian will be 180 degree. Another 180 degree. Okay. Fine. Got it? Yes. Now here, if you see in this picture, okay, here from 0 degree to the height, that is, wait, let me clear this. Okay, from 0 degree start agud. Okay, it starts from 0 degree and up to, if you see the Earth atmosphere la, if you see I am drawing this cross section in here. Okay, I am taking this cross section. Fine. I am drawing this atmosphere here. Okay, in vertical, parallel, I am drawing this. Fine. Here is the troposphere. Apdina. What is the height? Here the height will be there, whereas in the height kammiya than irukum. This height will be this because this is more close to the atmosphere, right? This region is more close to the atmosphere, whereas this is far away from the atmosphere, right? This is the atmosphere layer. Assume that this is an atmosphere layer. Okay, assume this is an atmosphere layer. Fine. Yes, everyone is there. Tell yes or no so that I can continue. Fine. Say this is the atmosphere layer. Okay, assume this is the atmosphere layer. If you see in this region, it is what? It is somewhat close to this, right? Somewhat closer. Whereas if you see, the layer is somewhat distant, right? So that is what the difference is given here. Okay, from 0 degree to here it starts. Okay, from 0 degree to the polar region, polar. Okay, from that is from equator to how it is in equator. This is equator region la, how it is in equator and how it is in polar region. This troposphere difference. Okay, this troposphere difference is because of this region. Okay, they are giving like this. So next is next is about the decrease. How the troposphere temperature will increase and decrease. When altitude increases, temperature increase agumbodhu, altitude increase aachna, temperature will decrease. Okay, altitude means height. Okay, altitude na height. Fine. Altitude height increase agumbodhu, the temperature will decrease. Okay, wait. If altitude, see, A is altitude here. Okay, altitude increase achna, that is height increase achna, temperature will decrease. Okay, if a altitude decrease achna, temperature will decrease. Can you explain how? Anyone? Can you explain me this? Why height increase or not temperature decrease?
Ma'am, because atmosphere is rising, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and also if you see, when you go to hill station is obviously height, right? Height increase agumbodhu anga temperature low irukku, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Temperature we can feel the chillness, right? When you come down, that is hill station illama height illama keela vandamna, what is happening? The temperature is rising, right? When compared to the hill stations. So wherever the height increases, that is the altitude increases, temperature will decrease. Wait. Wherever the altitude increases, that is the height increase agumbodhu, temperature will decrease. Okay, whenever the altitude decreases, the temperature will increase. Fine. This happens mostly change while changing from troposphere. That is from the ground level to the troposphere. That layer is called a troposphere. You can experience this. Okay. When you go high, you can experience low temperature. When you come down, you can experience high temperature. Okay. Fine. Are you getting it? Yes or no? Yes. Next is about stratosphere. Okay, this troposphere is being separated by stratosphere by a tropopause. Okay, troposphere stratosphere separate ஆயிருக்க region, that is what the tropopause. Fine. So tropopause la வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is the second layer and it is between 18 to 50 kilometers. Okay, around 18 to 50 kilometers. Fine. That is still the, it will be around. Fine. The second layer will be the stratosphere. In this layer, the ozone formation and depletion will be happening. Okay, ozone form ஆகிறது, ozone layer சொல்றோம்ல, that ozone, see here, maximum ozone. So this will happen in stratosphere. Okay, the ozone layer formation will be in depletion, whatever the depletion is or else a formation is, that happens in the stratosphere. Okay, here stratospheric temperature inversion will take place. Okay, stratospheric temperature inversion. Okay,
ma'am.
temperature inversion will take place.
Okay, ma'am.
What is meant by temperature inversion? Temperature, if altitude increases also, okay, if you see altitude increase agumbodhu, what will happen?
Temperature will increase.
Temperature
Will increase.
Yes, good. Inversion, temperature inversion நடக்குது. So altitude increase ஆகும்போது the temperature will also increase. Since altitude increase, height increase ஆகும்போது temperature is automatically increasing. Fine. Because that's why it is called stratospheric temperature inversion. புரிஞ்சுதா?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This actually this thickness of the ozone. Okay, just wait. I'll erase everything. Okay. Here, if you see the thickness, here the thickness of the ozone layer will be changing nowadays because of the depletion. The layer has been changing, right? Layer or thickness it's been changing. Well, previously it was like this, now it was like this only, this much only. Okay, it was depleting. Why? What is the reason? By years, seasons and days, when goes on, this becomes changing. Why? What is the reason of ozone depletion? What may be the reason? Yes, Yuvraj, Harish, Jinu, tell me. What may be the reason, Dia or Diksha? Anyone tell me what may be the reason for the ozone depletion?
Ma'am, because the altitude is rising, ma'am.
No. Because of some chemicals which we are using, which are emitting the carbon.
Yes, ma'am. By using the.
What is that chemical? CFC, chlorofluorocarbons. Okay.
Yes,
Because of chlorofluorocarbons, that will be the carbon atom will be going and sitting on the ozone. Ozone is, what is the formula for ozone?
Ma'am, O3.
O3, are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ozone is O3, and when we emit that nitrogen or else carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, the carbon atoms and the nitrogen atoms will go and sit with this O3. O3 என்ன ஆகும் அப்போ O2 plus O ன்னு இருக்கும். Then what will happen? They will combine with this O2 and leave O. Okay. Then what will happen? That the thickness will be, obviously the layer will be reduced. Fine. So that is because this is because of S. Shankar Mahalingam. Tell me. Yes. Is that everyone is in mute? No. Yes.
Ma'am, why that also aurora is forming like it is forming, ma'am?
Wait. Let me explain you. Okay. Yes, Shankar Mahalingam, tell me. She raised her hand. I think this is a Panchavaktra. I think so.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Come on, tell me. I couldn't hear you. You can talk. Yes. Am I audible?
You're only, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, ma'am, fine then. So what aurora will explain you. Okay, I'll explain you. Fine. So this is what about the stratosphere. Fine. Next we are going to see about the mesosphere. Mesosphere is what? When increase in altitude, the decrease in temperature will happen. That is not, this is the temperature inversion will not take place in mesosphere. Okay, mostly meteoroids, these things will be settling or else burning in starting from this region. Fine. Next comes the thermosphere. Thermosphere, if you see thermosphere, if you take thermosphere, this extends from mesosphere, mesospas. Okay, the thermosphere is being separated from mesospas, and the thermosphere is being divided into ionosphere and exosphere. Okay, ionosphere and exosphere. If you take ionosphere and exosphere, that the presence of
ma'am, any short form for ionosphere and exosphere?
Any
short form?
Short form? No short form and all. It is this thermosphere has been divided. Okay, this thermosphere has been divided. The first layer will be ionosphere. It has a number of ions. Due to why? Because of X-rays and gamma radiation will be here. Okay, this is due to its presence of large amount of X-rays and gamma radiation that is absorbing it. Okay, that is why ionosphere name come there. Ionosphere. Exosphere is in the space. Okay, mostly they will say like up to 80 kilometers. Okay, up to 80 kilometers is the above 80 kilometers is the space. For some reasons they are saying like 100 from 100 only 100 kilometers from the earth. Okay, that is from the earth to 100 kilometers is the space. Okay, after 100 kilometers is the space. They have two different things. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. This is what aurora. Yes, coming to aurora, why it is there in that region means, if you see this,
another name for aurora is what, ma'am? They're telling like that it is another name is for aurora.
Another name, not another name. When it is aurora borealis and aurora australis is there.
Yes,
okay,
ma'am, you're right.
Yes, aurora borealis, what is that? Aurora is in general, it is the reflection of light from to the atmosphere. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Aurora borealis is that
What, ma'am?
aurora means இப்ப வந்து mountain regions, snow regions இதுல எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can see some colors in the sky. Night time la வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா, because night time la you can see like some green color, okay, some pink, violet, magenta color, like that you can see. So aurora borealis is also known as in polar lights. Okay, aurora polaris, this is being displayed in the sky. Okay, there's some brilliant colors, brilliant light colors. We can see some brilliant light colors. இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் ஷேப்ல எல்லாம் போகும். Lights waves மாதிரி போகும். Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In next class, if possible, in next class, I will show you that one. Okay. How it has been going on. Sharia?
Ma'am, in the temperature meter, அப்படிலாம் அதெல்லாம் இருக்கு
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
tomorrow having morning class or evening class, ma'am?
Morning class, Kanna. Morning class is there.
Okay, ma'am.
I think evening class is also there.
Temperature means
Yes, yes. Tell me.
ma'am meter temperature இதெல்லாம் இருக்கு ma'am.
Meteor. Meteor is the. It's like a. What to say?
Ma'am, wall
Some
natchatram.
rocks. Ah, yes. It's a type of meteor. Okay. Meteor
Okay.
and meteor, asteroids. These are the belts that we can see in the universe. Okay, that stones that it will be like a stone that will come into the earth. Okay, sometimes this happens. Mostly we can evidence, or if it is process means that will be happening in mesosphere region. Fine. Yes, are you getting it? Auroral lights will be in the region of if it is this region. Okay, that is upper
Type of stars, ma'am.
celestial bodies.
Yes, ma'am. Right, ma'am. Right, ma'am.
Yes, celestial bodies. It will be in the form of rocks. It will. If you see, when you see like that, it will what to say? It will resemble like a rock only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
For that example, I told as a rock. Okay. Actually, it is a celestial body. Yes, fine. Where we are, yes, about aurora, right? Aurora lights will be in this region, polar regions. Okay. This region, or else in at the descent. Fine. If you see, if you take this end, this is the equator region. Okay. Assume this is an equator region. If it will be auroral lights will be seen in this end and in this end. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Fine. Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do you have any doubt in
Yes.
this?
No, ma'am, but I had joined in between, ma'am, because I went to tuition, so I see the video again, ma'am.
Okay, we will start. We started at that time only, Kana. We were only 5 minutes late, I think so.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Because I wanted to write, ma'am, take notes what you are telling, so that's why, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I will send notes for this. Okay, don't worry. I'll send note for this. Fine. Yes.
Okay.
Next, we are going to see about one.
Arts and cultures.
What?
Arts and cultures.
Art and culture. In that, the most thing is what? Most important thing, or else we can say
Culture, ma'am, about our culture.
yes, culture. That too mainly culture. Now, what will you remember? What thing will come to mind?
Culture means we will because Hindus is means celebrating like Pongal and Diwali, ma'am. So like that, it's culture means it's type of festival. What to say, ma'am? That is type of like.
Type of festival. And
Yes,
else, if it is festival means what you will remember?
ma'am. Festival means like we will for
Festival means what the main thing you it will come to your mind? If it is festival. Huh?
Deepavali, ma'am.
Deepavali. Okay, festival na Deepavali.
I got it.
Yes.
Ma'am, Christmas.
Okay, whatever the festival may be. Okay, if it is what.
Ma'am, culture is art and like that, ma'am. It is like
Okay, if I ask some art form, உங்களுக்கு எது ஞாபகம் வரும்?
feelings like that. It meant that only, ma'am.
Yes, music, dance, இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் வருமா வராதா?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Like for Christmas and all, we keep like that. It is like for whole culture, ma'am.
Yes, if you see, if I say Bharatanatyam means, sorry, dance form means dance and music. Art form means dance and music will remember will come to your mind, right? If
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
dances means Indian
Ma'am,
classical
classical dance.
dances. Yes, good. Classical dance. What
Ma'am,
are the
Western
things?
dance.
Yes, different types of dances there. First, we are going to see about the classical dance. Are you interested to see about to know about classical dance?
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Yes. What are the dance forms?
Ma'am,
Yes, classical dance.
Ma'am, are you asking about what, ma'am? What is the type of dances are there?
No. I am asking about classical dance.
Yes, ma'am. Kathakali,
Okay, Kathakali. Then
Bharatanatyam,
yes, Bharatanatyam.
Ma'am, Kuchipudi.
Kuchipudi. Like yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kuchipudi. Good.
Kuyilat. What?
Ma'am, what is meant by Kuchipudi, ma'am?
Kuyilatam.
I'll tell you. Okay.
Ma'am, what is that Kuyilatam or Koyilatam, ma'am?
That won't come. That is Mohiniyattam.
Ah, yes.
Yes. Then you told me Bharatanatyam. Then Kuchipudi.
Kuyilatam.
Kuyilatam is it's like Kuyilatam வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it will be like folk dance ல வரும். Okay, I am asking about a classical dance. There are different varieties. That is classical dance இருக்கு, theater forms இருக்கு, folk dance இருக்கு, western இருக்கு. So in that in India related to India, I am asking about classical dance. Manipuri, Odissi, Kathak, and Kathakali is there. Okay. The first and the most thing, what we are going to see is about Bharatanatyam. What do you know about Bharatanatyam?
Ma'am, Bharatanatyam is a type of classical dance, and it is all for it is the main mother of classical dance, ma'am.
Yes, good. It's one of the most popular Indian dances. Okay, it is originated from which state?
Ma'am, from Tamil Nadu.
It's popular from Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Okay, it is very much more popular in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Fine. This is the music which is accompanied by this is called Carnatic music. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the two. If you see the famous dancers, Krishna Iyer, Rukmani Devi.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, these persons are the famous dancers of Bharatanatyam. Okay, mostly this you want to know about how much popular it is. It is most popular classical Indian dance that is originated from the Carnatic music. Okay, it has been accompanying, the dance has been accompanying. Nowadays fusion type of dance is also there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
They are for western songs and all, they are dancing Bharatanatyam style. Right? They are dancing in Bharatanatyam style. Have you evidenced that? Have you seen
Yes,
like
ma'am.
that?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. If you search for the ma'am, okay. What is that? Priyadashini sent something. What is that? I couldn't get it.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. You asked some dancer's name, no, ma'am.
Okay.
Including that also will come, I ask, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Fine. So if you see Bharatanatyam, then Kathakali comes. Okay. Yes, Bharatanatyam. Yes. If you didn't see that Bharatanatyam fusion song means, go and search for some other songs. Okay, Western songs like famous song "Shape of You," like that song is there now.
Yes, ma'am.
If for that and all, they have they have changed the music into a Carnatic form and they are performing that dance. Okay, if
ma'am.
possible, try to see that also. Try to watch
And
that.
song name, ma'am.
Song name I will send that in chat. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Next is Kathak. What is Kathak and where it is originated and where what it is saying about?
Ma'am, Kathakali is from Kerala.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. Kathakali is from Kerala, no, ma'am.
Kathak, not Kathakali. I said about Kathak.
Ma'am, from Karnataka. Ma'am,
Who's
from
that?
Karnataka.
Harish, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure, Harish?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? It is
Yes,
from
ma'am.
Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Uttar Pradesh. The Kathak dance is from Uttar Pradesh, that is northern India. Mostly the stretch of western West Bengal and all, they will be following that. Okay, they'll have this Indian classical dance. This is also one of the Indian classical dance. Okay,
Yes.
famous centers are, if you see the famous centers, Lucknow, Jaipur, and Lucknow, Jaipur. That is, which is one of the Mohel courts. Okay, Mohel Empire. Do you know about Mohel Empire?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
others?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mohel Empire. Who said no? Dhananya Shri. Hi, Dhananya Shri.
Hi, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
Bharatanatyam is also the national dance, ma'am.
Bharatanatyam is also
National dance, ma'am.
national dance.
Yes, ma'am.
National in which form?
Which?
Form.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Classical dance. Okay. National
Oh,
dance
okay,
of
ma'am.
India. It comes under which form? Classical dance. Okay. Indian classical dances under. Okay. We have different things. Classical folk. Then if you see what to say, theta forms and all is there. Okay. So next,
Okay, ma'am.
next is the Kathak. Yeah, in Kathak, what we see? It's one of the import. It is also one of the most important classical form. The Kathak meanings, Kathak oda meaning வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா, it's about story, telling story. Okay, அவங்க story சொல்லிட்டு dance ஆடுவாங்க. Fine. Some story சொல்லிட்டு they'll be dancing. Fine. Kathakali. Now comes the Kathakali. Okay, Kathakali is famous.
Kathakali in Kerala.
Yes, good. Kathakali in Kerala. What they will be doing there?
Ma'am,
They will
that
dance Kathakali.
types of expressions, ma'am.
Different types of expression in eye, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, different types of expression in eye. That too, that imagination and creativity will be
Yes,
more in
ma'am.
Kathakali.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. For the famous persons or Narayan Menon, Guru Gopinath and all. Okay. Fine. Next comes Manipuri. Manipuri. Anyone know
Ma'am,
about
what
Manipuri?
is the meaning?
Ma'am, in Manipur.
I don't know, ma'am.
Ma'am, Manipuri in Manipur.
Yes, because when they will perform means most of the social cultural ceremonies. Okay, Manipuri people will perform this dance. That too, the lightness of the food, dancing will be like the abhinay and the drama பண்றதெல்லாம் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா, they will be little music, letting the music and poetic charm will be there. Okay, and also they will be dancing on the food. Okay, next comes the Mohiniyattam.
Oh,
Mohiniyattam.
Ma'am, in West Bengal, I think so.
ma'am,
Mohiniyattam.
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu.
Kerala.
Oh.
Okay, it is a solo female dance. Okay, Mohiniyattam.
Yes, ma'am, in Kerala, ma'am. I'm studying in fourth,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, full of body movements will be there. Okay, full body stretch will be there, and famous dancers are Kalyani Amma, Hema Malini. Okay, Mohiniyattamna romba famous persons. Okay, the full body stretch will be there, and the grace and elegance of Bharatanatyam and Kathakali will be like it's been more in Mohiniyattam. Okay, then comes Odissi. Odissi is from
சட்டை பிடிச்சு இப்படி இழுத்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கிற அதுக்கு
yes, Harish.
Please mute your mic, Hari.
Yes. Yes, Odissi.
ma'am,
Yes, Dhananya Shri.
ma'am, உங்க வாய்ஸ் வந்து நடுவுல கேட்கவே மாட்டேங்குது மேம்.
இப்ப கேக்குதா?
மேம், இப்ப கேக்குது மேம்.
நடு ஸ்டாப் ஆயிடுதா? Everyone, for everyone? Does this happens for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, fine. Next is the Odissi. Odissi is famous classical dance in which state?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, in which state? Odissi. Odissi is in which state, Kana?
Odisha.
Odisha state, yes. And also there are three bend postures is there, okay? And also different types of dance is being followed in that region itself. And the regionலயே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா different dances வந்து அவங்க follow பண்றாங்க. Okay? And next comes the Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi?
Ma'am, what is mean by Kuchipudi, ma'am?
Kuchipudi is also a form of classical dance, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Kuchipudi, it's like a Hindu epics in the Mahabharatam, Krishna, what to say, Krishna oda idellame vandu they will be exhibiting, okay? In Kuchipudi, if for example, if you are going to say some epics and all, what you will try? You will try to say in that manner itself, right? You will be trying to give what sense they have given. The drama that you will convey to others in the form of action means how we will do. You will give your best like whatever they are giving there, right? அங்க என்ன ஆக்ஷன் சொல்லிருக்கோம் அதே மாதிரி you will be trying to give. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So இங்க வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Kuchipudi is also like they are giving the Hindu epics and legends and mythological tales and all they will be giving, okay? Some famous persons in Kuchipudi are Radha Reddy, Swapna Sundari, okay? Yamini Krishnamurthy, fine? Yes. I have given you certain things, right? Certain dances, right? Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam, Odissi and Kuchipudi, right? If possible, we can see
Mohiniyattam means what, ma'am? Mohiniyattam.
Mohiniyattam. இப்ப நான் இருங்க அதுதான் சொல்ல வரேன், okay? Fine.
Okay,
இப்ப நான்
ma'am.
இந்த டான்ஸ் எல்லாம் நான் சொல்லிருக்கேன்ல,
Yes, ma'am.
classical dance எல்லாம் சொல்லிருக்கேன்ல, that you search in YouTube or else in Google and see it, okay? Next classல வந்து
Okay, ma'am.
பாத்தீங்கன்னா நான் when I am explaining you நான் இன்னும் வந்து நான் அந்த சாங் எல்லாம் போட்டு நான் உங்களுக்கு நான் explain பண்றேன், okay? If possible in next
Okay,
class I
ma'am.
will do like that. Fine?
Fine, ma'am.
Yes. So அந்த டைம்ல வந்து I'll be explaining you பரதநாட்டியம்னா எப்படி இருக்கு, what is main thing in பரதநாட்டியம் என்ன, what is the main thing in பரதநாட்டியம்? Who is the Bharatanatyam dancer over here? Any Bharatanatyam dancers?
Riya Diksha.
Riya Diksha. What is very much important for Bharatanatyam?
Ma'am, that expression, ma'am.
Expression. That okay, fine. Other than that,
Hand for keeping that hand and or
what is that? What is that actually?
Ma'am, Abhinay.
Mutras.
Yes. Yes, அது ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸ். முத்ராஸ் இதெல்லாமே நல்லா தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். சோ அத பத்தி எல்லாம் will be seeing in detail. சரியா? If time permits, I'll explain you in that way. சரியா? இப்போ நான் வந்து in general I have given you, right? ஜெனரலா நான் உங்களுக்கு பரதநாட்டியம், கதகளி ஆர் ஃபேமஸ் அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். So if you come to next class வர்றப்ப வந்து I'll explain you each and every இப்ப பரதநாட்டியம் and கதகளி கதக் மட்டுமே ஒரு கிளாஸ் ரெண்டு டான்சஸ் மட்டுமே ஒரு கிளாஸ் வர மாதிரி நம்ம எடுக்குவோம். சரியா? அப்ப வந்து we will be seeing in detail. சரியா?
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
fine for you all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
One doubt, ma'am.
Yes. Who's that?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of meter, ma'am?
Meter. What is meter? Spell it.
Ma'am, MEOTO or ma'am இது நீங்க அட்மாஸ்பியர் சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டு இருந்தீங்கல்ல மேம்.
ஆமா.
மேம் அதுல மியோட்டர்னு வந்துச்சுல மேம்.
Ma'am is asking about the
Meteor.
meteor, that one, ma'am.
That is what to say, a celestial body, okay? It is one of the celestial body.
Okay, ma'am.
In the universe you will be having different celestial bodies, okay? In that it is one of that.
Okay, ma'am.
Any others? Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
The classification of this celestial body will be dealing to in some other class. Okay. What are the things that is the celestial body? What are the things are there? Stars, planets, satellites, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, galaxies. Okay, that we will see in detail. Fine. That is the meteoroids. It is in mesosphere. What is happening means when the meteoroids enters into the space. Okay, it is pulled by the Earth gravity. When it is come, it in the atmosphere itself, it will burn. Okay. Commonly, it is also called a shooting star. Actually, fine.
மேம் இப்ப அகைன் நடுவுல கொஞ்சம் ஸ்டாப் ஆயிடுச்சு மேம் வாய்ஸ்.
Meteoroids வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா I will repeat it. Okay, meteoroids is it's one of the celestial body that will if it enter into the Earth's atmosphere means it will burn. Okay, it will burn in the atmosphere itself. Then only it will enter into it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is also known as a shooting star.
Ma'am, your voice is slightly breaking.
Yes.
Ma'am, I saw the shooting star, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am,
I didn't say anything actually now. Fine. Okay, I'll make sure that it won't come again. Okay, it won't repeat it. Fine. If you have any doubt, we can see that. Else we can wind up the class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone had your breakfast? Sorry, dinner?
No, ma'am.
no,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes means good. No means not good and not bad also. Okay.
I'm now only going to tuition and come, ma'am. That's
Okay,
only,
okay,
ma'am.
fine, Kana. Okay, fine. How's your classes
My
going on?
mummy-
Other classes?
Good only,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
what, ma'am?
Other classes for others. Classes is going on. What's going on for English for you?
Ma'am, now it is going.
Ma'am, our miss is taking syllable, ma'am.
Syllables. Okay.
Ma'am, my miss is taking. Ma'am, my miss is taking future tense.
Ma'am,
Future tense.
Ma'am, my
Yes,
miss is
ma'am, future tense, past tense,
Ma'am, in our
present
class,
tense.
syllables, tenses, and other grammar subjects, ma'am.
Okay. Like syllables you will be familiar, right?
Ma'am, and participles also, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next class we'll be seeing that. Have you seen the schedule
Yes, ma'am.
which is shared in the group? Yes.
Ma'am,
in
in my class is going division for next month annual exam, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Others? For others?
Ma'am,
Dhananya Shri?
ma'am, can you repeat your question?
My school reopened. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I'm Dhanashree, ma'am.
Yes,
Can you hear
Dhananya
me,
Shri.
ma'am?
Yes, I could hear you.
What, ma'am?
No,
Ma'am, why
how's
you
your classes going
asking,
on?
ma'am?
How is your classes going on? Like that I asked. Okay, fine, ma'am. Ma'am is there? Ma'am?
சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
Yes, ma'am. Class முடிச்சுக்கலாமா, ma'am?
ஓகேம்மா, ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்கம்மா, கேட்டு வரேன்.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, in next class, if possible, I'll try to explain you the whole thing, okay? About the classical dances, what are the important things we want to know. Fine?
Next class, please teach, tell a short learning of our latitudes and longitudes.
Okay, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll prepare some PPT and I will explain you, okay? As it is a sudden prepared class, that's why I couldn't give the PPT. Fine?